Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money from Capital One to Chime. The first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already logged into your Capital One account. And after logging in, this is basically what you will just have to do. So, you will select an account and choose transfer or transfer money at the top of your account page. And then, third, what you will have to do is choose the from and to accounts frequency, the date you would like to transfer to take place, and enter the amount that you would like to transfer. You can schedule the transfer for a later date or a repeating transfer. Then you will also have the option to add a memo. So basically, what you will have to do again is just you will have to fill out the transfer from and then the transfer to. Basically, you will type here your Chime account and the routing numbers, and then you will enter the amount that you would want to transfer, and then you will click next. And then you will just have to confirm the transfer details, and then after that, you will just have to tap submit or transfer like this. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I really hope that this video helped. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.